Murex Technical Online Training. Introduction to Murex Technical. Unveiling Murex, a technical powerhouse for financial markets. Murex is a leading name in financial technology, offering a comprehensive software platform specifically designed for capital markets. Here's a glimpse into its technical side. Cross-asset powerhouse, Murex isn't limited to specific financial instruments. It boasts a cross-asset capability, allowing you to manage a wide range of products, from equities and derivatives to commodities and foreign exchange. This eliminates the need for disjointed systems and streamlines operations. Front-to-back integration, Murex goes beyond just trade execution. It offers a comprehensive solution that integrates front-office activities, trading, middle-office functions, risk management, validation, and back-office operations, settlement, clearing. This provides a holistic view of the trade life cycle and simplifies reconciliation. MX.3 platform, the current iteration, MX.3, is a state-of-the-art platform built on a service-oriented architecture. This allows for scalability, flexibility, and easier integration with other systems. MX.3 is also available as a software as a service (SaaS) model, reducing upfront costs and IT burden for clients. Technical depth. Murex is known for its robust technical foundation. It's primarily built on Java, a widely adopted and mature programming language in the enterprise world. This ensures stability, performance, and a large pool of potential developers. Features of Murex Technical. Cross-asset functionality. Unlike some systems that handle specific asset classes, Murex can manage a wide range of financial instruments, eliminating the need for separate systems. Integrated solution. Murex goes beyond just trading, offering functionalities for treasury management, risk management, post-trade operations, and more, all within a single platform. This can improve efficiency and reduce data silos. Scalability and performance. MX.3 is built to handle the high volume and complexity of financial transactions. Open platform with APIs. MX.3 allows for integration with external systems and applications through APIs, application programming interfaces. This enables data exchange and customization for specific needs. Security. Murex prioritizes data security with features like encryption, access controls, and audit trails to comply with regulations and safeguard sensitive information. Cloud compatibility. MX.3 can be deployed on-premise or in the cloud, offering flexibility for different IT infrastructures. Client-server model. This architecture allows for easy expansion and use across various platforms. How does Murex support trading operations across asset classes? Murex supports trading operations across various asset classes through its integrated platform, which offers a range of functionalities designed to streamline and optimize trading activities. Here's an overview of how Murex supports these operations. 1. Multi-asset class coverage. Murex's platform is designed to handle a broad spectrum of asset classes, including equities, supports equity trading, including cash equities, equity derivatives, and structured products. Fixed income, manages bonds, interest rate derivatives, and other fixed income instruments. Commodities, covers commodity trading and derivatives, supporting a wide range of underlying assets like metals, energy, and agricultural products. FX and money markets facilitates foreign exchange trading, money market instruments, and related derivatives. Credit supports credit derivatives, structured credit products, and corporate bonds. 2. Trade life cycle management. Murex provides comprehensive trade life cycle management, which includes trade capture, real-time trade capture and processing, ensuring accurate and timely entry of trades. Position management, consolidated view of positions across asset classes, allowing for efficient risk and portfolio management. Valuation and risk management, advanced valuation models and risk analytics, enabling users to measure and manage risk across different asset classes. Collateral and margin management, tools for managing collateral and margin requirements to ensure regulatory compliance and risk mitigation. What are the core modules of Murex and their functionalities? Murex is a comprehensive trading, risk management, and processing platform used by financial institutions worldwide. Its modular architecture allows institutions to tailor the system to their specific needs. Here are the core modules of Murex and their functionalities. Trading. Front office supports trading activities across various asset classes, including fixed income, equities, foreign exchange, FX, commodities, and derivatives. It provides tools for pricing, order management, trade execution, and deal capture. Treasury manages liquidity, funding, and interest rate risk. It supports money market operations, repo agreements, and securities lending. Risk management. Market risk offers real-time and end-of-day risk analysis, including value-at-risk, VaR, stress testing, and scenario analysis. It helps in monitoring market exposure and limit management. Credit risk provides credit exposure calculations, counterparty risk management, and credit limits monitoring. It includes functionalities for credit valuation adjustment, CVA, and potential future exposure, PFA. Liquidity risk manages liquidity risk by monitoring cash flows, funding gaps, and liquidity ratios. It supports regulatory compliance with liquidity coverage ratios, LCR, and net stable funding ratios, NSFR. Operations. Back office automates post-trade processes, including trade confirmation, settlement, and reconciliation. It supports straight-through processing, STP, and integrates with various clearing and settlement systems. Collateral management manages collateral for derivative trades, securities lending, and repo agreements. It supports margin calls, collateral optimization, and dispute resolution. Finance. Accounting integrates trading and risk data to produce accurate financial reports. It supports general ledger, GL, integration, subledger functionalities, and compliance with accounting standards like IFRS and GAAP. P&L attribution analyzes profit and loss drivers, helping in understanding the sources of P&L, whether from market movements, trading activities, or risk management actions. Compliance and reporting. Regulatory reporting automates the generation and submission of regulatory reports to comply with global and local regulations, example Dodd-Frank, EMIR, MiFID 2. Transaction reporting supports transaction reporting requirements, ensuring that all trades are reported accurately and in a timely manner to relevant authorities. How does Murex handle risk management and compliance? Murex, a leading provider of trading, risk management, and processing solutions for capital markets, handles risk management and compliance through several comprehensive and integrated approaches. 1. Comprehensive Risk Management Framework. Market Risk Management. Murex provides tools for real-time market risk monitoring, allowing users to measure and manage risk exposures. It supports value at risk, VAR, calculations, stress testing, scenario analysis, and sensitivity analysis. Credit Risk Management. Murex offers functionalities for assessing and managing counterparty risk. This includes credit limits management, credit valuation adjustment, CVA, potential future exposure, PFA, and wrong-way risk. Liquidity Risk Management. The platform supports liquidity risk management through cash flow analysis, funding projections, and liquidity buffer calculations. 2. Regulatory Compliance. Reporting and Monitoring. Murex provides extensive regulatory reporting capabilities to comply with various global regulations such as MiFID 2, EMIR, Dodd-Frank, Basel III, and FRTB. It enables firms to generate required reports, monitor regulatory metrics, and ensure transparency. Audit trails and data integrity. The platform ensures data integrity and traceability with comprehensive audit trails. This helps in maintaining compliance and simplifies the process of audits. Stress testing and scenario analysis. Murex allows firms to conduct stress testing and scenario analysis in line with regulatory requirements. This ensures firms are prepared for adverse market conditions and can demonstrate compliance. How does Murex ensure data integration and management? 1. Unified Data Model. Murex uses a unified data model across its platform. This model standardizes data representation and ensures consistency and accuracy across different modules and functions. The unified data model supports consistency, ensures that data is consistent across all applications and functions. Efficiency, reduces data duplication and streamlines processes by using a single data representation. Flexibility, facilitates integration with other systems and easy adaptation to new requirements. 2. Data Integration Framework. Murex provides a robust data integration framework to handle data flows between Murex and external systems. This framework includes APIs, a comprehensive set of APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow seamless integration with external systems, ensuring smooth data exchange and real-time synchronization. ETL tools, extract, transform, load, ETL, tools to facilitate the import and export of large data sets, enabling batch processing and bulk data handling. Message queues, support for message queue systems like JMS, Java Message Service, for reliable and asynchronous data exchange. 3. Data Management Tools. Murex includes a suite of tools designed for efficient data management, including data quality tools. These tools monitor and ensure the quality of data by identifying and rectifying errors, inconsistencies, and duplications. Data governance, implementing data governance policies to maintain data integrity, security, and compliance with regulatory standards. Audit trails, comprehensive logging and audit trails to track data changes, ensuring transparency and accountability. What are the best practices for implementing Murex in financial institutions? Planning and change management. Define clear business goals before embarking on a Murex implementation. Financial institutions should clearly define their business goals for the project. What specific problems are they trying to solve? What functionalities are most important? Having a clear vision will guide configuration decisions and ensure the system aligns with business needs. Embrace change management. Murex implementation can significantly impact workflows and user habits. A strong change management plan is crucial to ensure user adoption and minimize disruption. This includes communication, training, and support throughout the process. Data and configuration. Data quality is paramount. Murex is only as good as the data it ingests. Financial institutions should invest in data cleansing and standardization efforts before implementation. Dirty data can lead to errors and inefficiencies down the line. Standardization versus customization. Murex offers a wide range of configuration options. It's important to strike a balance between standardization and customization. Excessive customization can increase complexity and maintenance costs. Leverage Murex's out-of-the-box functionalities whenever possible. Integration and ongoing support. Openness and integration. Murex should integrate seamlessly with existing IT infrastructure. Utilize Murex's APIs to connect with other systems and ensure a smooth flow of data. Partner with experts. Murex implementation is a complex undertaking. Partnering with experienced Murex consultants can provide valuable expertise and help avoid common pitfalls. How does Murex's reporting system enhance transparency and efficiency? Murex's reporting system enhances transparency and efficiency in several key ways, leveraging advanced technology and integrated features tailored to financial institutions. Here are the primary benefits. 1. Real-time data access. Murex's reporting system provides real-time access to data across various asset classes and business lines. This enables financial institutions to make informed decisions quickly, enhancing operational efficiency. 2. Comprehensive data integration. The system integrates data from multiple sources, ensuring that reports reflect a holistic view of an institution's financial status. This integration minimizes discrepancies and provides a single source of truth, increasing transparency. 3. Advanced analytics and reporting tools. Murex offers powerful analytics and reporting tools that allow users to generate detailed and customized reports. These tools support a wide range of analytical functions, from simple queries to complex risk assessments, which improves the depth and accuracy of reporting. 4. Regulatory compliance. The system is designed to help institutions meet regulatory requirements efficiently. It includes pre-configured regulatory reports and the flexibility to adapt to new regulations, ensuring compliance and reducing the risk of penalties. What are the security features and measures in Murex? Murex, a leading financial software provider, offers robust security features and measures to protect sensitive financial data and ensure compliance with regulatory standards. Key security features and measures in Murex include: 1. Access control. Role-based access control. RBAC Murex employs role-based access control to ensure that users can access only the information and functionalities necessary for their roles. User authentication. It supports various authentication methods, including single sign-on, SSO, multi-factor authentication, MFA, and integration with enterprise identity management systems. 2. Data encryption. Data at rest. Murex encrypts data stored in databases using Advanced Encryption Standards, AES. Data in transit. Data transmitted over networks is protected using protocols such as SSL/TLS to prevent interception and tampering. 3. Audit and monitoring. Audit logs, comprehensive logging of user activities, system events, and transactions helps in auditing and monitoring for security incidents. Monitoring tools, integration with security information and event management, CM, systems to provide real-time monitoring and alerts for suspicious activities. How does Murex facilitate regulatory reporting and compliance? Pre-built templates and configurations. Murex offers pre-built report templates and configurations for various regulatory frameworks. This helps institutions quickly adapt to new regulatory requirements without extensive custom development, ensuring a faster and more efficient compliance process. Real-time reporting and monitoring. The platform supports real-time reporting and monitoring, allowing institutions to track their compliance status continuously. This real-time capability is crucial for meeting intraday or end-of-day reporting requirements and for identifying and addressing potential compliance issues promptly. Risk management and analytics. Murex integrates advanced risk management and analytics tools that help institutions assess their compliance with regulatory capital requirements and other risk-based regulations. This includes calculating key metrics such as value at risk, VAR, counterparty credit risk, and liquidity risk. What are the latest innovations and updates in Murex? Murex has introduced several notable innovations and updates recently, enhancing its MX.3 platform and expanding its cloud and SaaS offerings. Cloud integration with LSEG. Murex has extended its MX.3 platform's connectivity to the London Stock Exchange Group's LSEG real-time optimized solution on Amazon Web Services, AWS. This enables clients to access real-time market data efficiently through three deployment models: cloud-based real-time optimized (RTO), real-time managed distribution service (RTMDS), hosted on LSEG's private cloud, and real-time distribution system (RTDS), managed on-premises. SaaS enhancements. Murex has significantly advanced its SaaS capabilities, focusing on continuous integration and frequent updates to ensure clients always have access to the latest features and security patches. The platform supports automated testing and deployment, allowing swift adaptation to market changes. Clients can choose between leading cloud service providers like AWS and Options IT for resilient, secure, and cost-effective solutions. Innovative project implementations. An example of Murex's innovation in action is the successful implementation of the MXGeo Treasury solution by STC Pay. This collaboration resulted in STC Pay evolving from a digital wallet to a full-fledged Islamic bank within 6 months. This rapid deployment and the adoption of Murex's agile platform earned both companies recognition with the Global FinTech Innovation Awards for Best Treasury Implementation. How can Murex be customized to meet specific business needs? Requirements gathering. Understand the specific business requirements and challenges that need to be addressed. This involves working closely with stakeholders from various departments such as trading, risk management, operations, and IT. Configuration. Murex offers a high degree of configurability out of the box. Many aspects of the system can be customized through configuration files and parameters. This includes setting up trading workflows, defining product types, configuring risk limits, and tailoring reporting. Extensions and integration. Murex provides APIs and frameworks for extending its functionality and integrating with other systems. Custom modules can be developed to add new features or enhance existing ones. Integration with external systems such as market data providers, risk engines, and settlement systems is often necessary to ensure seamless operations. Workflow automation. Automating repetitive tasks and workflows can improve efficiency and reduce operational risk. Murex supports workflow automation through scripting, scheduling tools, and integration with workflow management systems. User interface customization. Tailoring the user interface to match the specific needs of different user groups can enhance usability and productivity. Murex provides tools for customizing the layout, creating custom views and dashboards, and adding new functionality to the UI. Advantages of Murex Technical Online Training. Flexibility. Online training allows learners to access materials and lectures at their own pace and convenience. This flexibility is especially beneficial for working professionals who may have busy schedules. Cost-effective. Online training eliminates the need for travel and accommodation expenses typically associated with in-person training. This makes it a more cost-effective option for both individuals and organizations. Access to experts. Online courses often feature content created and delivered by industry experts. Learners have the opportunity to learn from experienced professionals who have in-depth knowledge of Murex systems. Interactive learning. Many online training platforms utilize interactive tools such as quizzes, simulations, and discussion forums to engage learners actively. This interactivity enhances the learning experience and helps reinforce key concepts. On-demand resources. Online training platforms typically provide access to a variety of resources such as video lectures, readings, and practice exercises. Learners can revisit these materials as needed to reinforce their understanding of Murex technical concepts. Global reach. Online training eliminates geographical barriers, allowing learners from around the world to access high-quality Murex technical training without the need to travel. Career opportunities in Murex Technical. Murex is a widely used platform in the financial industry for trading, risk management, and processing. Here are some career opportunities in Murex Technical. Murex Developer Consultant. This role involves developing and customizing Murex solutions according to the requirements of financial institutions. Developers typically work with Murex's proprietary programming language, MXML, and other technologies like Java and SQL. Murex Support Analysts troubleshoot and resolve technical issues related to the Murex platform. They may work directly with clients or within an organization's IT department to ensure the smooth functioning of Murex systems. Murex Integration Specialist Integration specialists focus on integrating Murex with other systems within a financial institution's technology infrastructure. This involves understanding data flows, APIs, and middleware technologies to ensure seamless communication between Murex and other systems. Murex Tester QA Analyst Testers QA analysts are responsible for designing and executing test cases to ensure the quality and reliability of Murex implementations. They may also be involved in automating testing processes and identifying areas for improvement in Murex functionality. Salary expectation in Murex Technical. Salary expectations in the Murex technical field in India can vary based on several factors such as experience, skill level, location, and the specific role within Murex. However, to give you a general idea, here's a rough estimate. Entry level, 0 to 2 years of experience, 4 lakhs rupees to 8 lakhs rupees per annum. Mid-level, 2 to 5 years of experience, 8 lakhs rupees to 15 lakhs rupees per annum. Senior level, 5+ years of experience, 15 lakhs rupees and above per annum. These figures are approximate and can vary significantly depending on the factors mentioned earlier. Additionally, Murex is a niche field, so individuals with specialized skills or certifications might command higher salaries. It's also worth noting that salaries can be higher in metropolitan areas like Mumbai, Bangalore, or Delhi compared to smaller cities. Why choose ProExcellency for Murex Technical Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for Murex Technical Online Training can be a strategic decision for several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency likely boasts experienced trainers who are well-versed in Murex technology. Their expertise can ensure comprehensive learning and effective skill development. Customized curriculum. They may offer tailored training programs that cater to specific learning objectives and skill levels, ensuring that participants get the most relevant and beneficial knowledge. Interactive learning environment. ProExcellency may provide interactive online training sessions, engaging learners through discussions, practical exercises, and real-world examples, which enhances comprehension and retention of concepts. Flexibility. Online training allows for flexibility in scheduling, enabling participants to learn at their own pace and from any location with an internet connection. ProExcellency might offer flexible timing options to accommodate diverse schedules. Supportive resources. They may provide supplementary materials such as video tutorials, documentation, and practice exercises to reinforce learning and facilitate self-study. Certification preparation. If certification is a goal, ProExcellency might offer training programs designed to prepare participants for Murex certification exams, guiding them through the certification process effectively. Thank you.